Alright, well, this is going to be a little different video. Alright, well, this video is a little different than what I do, or really a lot different, because this is be the first one of this. I got a message on Facebook, probably been trying to get this together for probably a month. A guy named Brad lives basically up the road, not far at all. He's got a 14-year-old son who's really doing a lot of his own work to his own truck. He's got an OBS Chevrolet truck. I've never met the kid. Actually, I've never met Brad in person. And as far as I know, his son does not know that I'm coming. He says he loves to talk about his truck and you know, just loves cars, and he actually watches the channel and you know, plenty of other channels, you know, like mine or whatnot. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to ride up. I've actually got some Comp Products goodies for him, and we're going to interview him and talk to him about his truck. And as a matter of fact, I see that Mad Bowtie Garage issued an award yesterday at C10s in the Valley at Maggie Valley, North Carolina. He got the Mad Bowtie Garage Choice Award for his pickup, so that's fantastic. So hopefully we can go up there and get us a good conversation going. I wasn't real sure how to do this video. Thanks to Bryton over at Real World Garage. I've been going back and forth with him on the best way to do this, because Brian's really good at interviewing people at cruise-ins and car shows, and that's just something that I probably need to start doing. But if you don't have anything to do, ride with us. We'll take a quick ride through the country and we'll head up the road. Tell me about you. Tell me about this truck. Anything you want to talk about, I'm all ears.
Well, my name's Bryton, and this truck was my dad's at first when he graduated out of high school, and then he wrecked it, and we had to put a new front end, grill, headlights, a new motor, had to rebuild the transmission, and we were trying to get paint on it.
All right, so your dad bought this truck new?
Yes.
So it's stayed in the family since brand new, so that's pretty cool. So how long have you been working on it?
About 3 years.
3 years. Looks good with 454 wheels. And then yesterday, where were you guys at?
We were in C10s in the valley.
At Maggie Valley. And I hear you got an award yesterday.
Yes.
Who issued you the award?
Mad Bow Tie Garage.
That's cool. And this is it right here?
Yes.
And then here's some pictures of progress. And this top left corner here is brand new. Then it had a little accident there. And he swapped the motor.
On a hard ground.
No shop. That's even better. Work harder, you learn more, right?
Oh,
so
yeah.
What's your plans here, other than paint?
My plans is to get it as stock as possible and take it to all kinds of car shows, show off what I did to it.
I see you've been to several already.
Yes.
That's cool. So how old are you?
13.
13. All this working, only 13. That is pretty cool. So you're just gonna no lowering, no craziness, just enjoy it.
Yes.
It's pretty clean. That's the best steering wheel ever made right there. I love that steering wheel. Well, and then everything done you've paid for, you've worked for. That's pretty cool. So you got some stainless headers.
Yes.
So this isn't the original motor, is it?
No, it's not.
Okay. So no LS swap for you?
I want to do that, but
Maybe later?
maybe later. Right now, I'm trying to keep it as stock as possible. And right now, I don't want to do an engine swap on hard ground.
Well, this one's pretty fresh here, ain't it?
Yeah.
So paint is next, hopefully?
Hopefully.
Going back red? That's cool.
Victory red.
Well, that is awesome. I'm glad to see you get this award. I'm sure that made you happy.
My heart dropped when I got it at first.
That's great. Well, we'll have to tag Mad Bow Tie in this, and maybe we can get a comment or two out of him. But man, I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to me and tell me about your truck, because I mean, hey, who don't like to talk trucks, you know?
Yeah.
But anything else you want to say about it?
No, just that I love this truck and I hope it happens to it.
Well, that's probably one of the most fun videos I've had, doing that interview with Bryton. Pretty cool, 13 years old, and just that into trucks. I mean, he's got a couple years before he even gets to drive, so he's gonna have one killer head start on a super nice vehicle. I'd like to thank his dad, Brad, for sending me that message and, you know, letting me come up and talk to him about cars. We stood there in the driveway for probably 2 hours or more and just talked about cars and power tour and local stuff, and I can't get enough of that stuff. You know, I mean, I'm pretty well eat up with car stuff, truck stuff. It'll probably be a forever thing for me, and
and you know, it kind of goes generation to generation for the most part. But a good time. Had a real good time. Enjoyed talking to them. Enjoyed meeting them. And we'll see them around again, I'm sure. So, I'm gonna close out this video, get this thing edited, and hopefully got some good footage today and good audio. Thanks for watching Left 4 Dead Garage. Oh, and a huge shout out and thank you to Mad Bowtie Garage for the award. He was extremely stoked on winning that award, and that's the kind of things that'll, you know, bump his drive to work on that truck and make it look good and love vehicles even more. I mean, you guys made his day. I'll put a link to their channel in the description. Thanks for watching Left 4 Dead Garage, and we'll see you later.
Competition Products, your source for hardcore engine parts for street, strip, and oval track. Our free catalog is packed with hundreds of product lines from the best-known manufacturers in the performance industry. Lowest prices guaranteed. Free shipping and handling on all orders over $149 in the continental U.S. Need expert advice? Our knowledgeable staff is just a phone call away. Competition Product, race parts sold by racers since 1970.